Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit text in Inkscape step by step. Even if you're completely new to the software, you'll learn how to change words, adjust fonts, control spacing, and format your text properly for logos, illustrations, or thumbnails. Text editing in Inkscape is simple. Once you know where the right tools are, and by the end of this video, you will be able to modify any text on your canvas quickly and confidently. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple design tutorials. Now, let's get started inside Inkscape. First, press the T key on your keyboard to activate the text tool. This tool allows you to create new text or edit existing text on your canvas. Once the tool is active, click directly on any existing text block to place a cursor inside the text. Now, you can simply start typing to add new characters or press backspace to remove letters that you no longer need. If you want to modify only part of the text, click and drag across. The characters you want to change, this highlights them so you can apply different fonts, sizes, or styling without affecting the rest of the text. While the text tool is still active, look at the tool controls bar at the top of the window. This bar gives you quick access to the most common text settings. First, open the font family drop-down to choose a different typeface for your selected text, then adjust the font size field to scale the text precisely to the size you want. If your font supports styling, you can also enable bold or italic using the toggle buttons nearby. On the same bar, you'll also find alignment controls, which let you set the text to left, center, right, or justified depending on your layout needs. For more detailed control, press Ctrl, Shift and T on your keyboard to open the text and font panel. This window shows a larger preview of available fonts and lets you apply changes to the entire text block at once. Browse through the font list, select a style you like, then explore the Variants tab where some fonts offer features like ligatures or numeric styles. When you're happy with the settings, click Apply to update your text on the canvas. Next, let's adjust spacing. To change the spacing between all letters, use the letter spacing value in the top toolbar. Increasing the value spreads characters apart while lowering it brings them closer together. For precise kerning between two letters, place the cursor between them. Hold Alt and press the left or right arrow keys. You can also move characters vertically by highlighting them, holding Alt and pressing the up or down arrows. Finally, if you want to turn your text into a permanent vector shape, go to Path and choose Object to Path. This converts the text into editable vector paths. Keep in mind that once converted, the text can no longer be edited with the text tool. If you need to move individual letters, you'll have to use path editing tools instead. And that's how to edit text in Inkscape quickly and efficiently. If this guide helped you, remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.